Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix volume button not working problem in Samsung Galaxy M47. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.